In this tutorial, we're going to unbox the HP Envy Photo 7975 printer. This is a printer that supports print, copy and scan, and it is able to print photos with a dedicated photo tray as well as high quality documents. So let's unbox this printer. Let's power on the printer. You'll notice that once you power on the power at the wall socket, the printer will power on. At power up, this is the first screen that you will see. We'll select English. We'll select our country as USA. Next, we need to install the HP software to finish the Wi-Fi setup. Next, we need to use the HP software to finish the Wi-Fi setup. So we'll use the HP app. If you need the app, simply download from Play Store. Let's add device. We'll set up a new printer. We'll connect it over Wi-Fi. It has found our printer. Select that. You need to enter the Wi-Fi password. We need to tap on the check mark on our printer display. Let's allow. Let's continue. For printer privacy, we'll decline the optional data. It's time to install ink. So these are the cartridges that come in box. Open the front cover and cartridge access door. Remove the cartridge from the packaging. Load in the black cartridge as shown. Do the same for the tricolor cartridge. Cartridges are loaded. Let's continue. Next, let's load paper. Open the input tray and make sure the guides are pushed to the side. Take a stack of plain paper and load into the input tray. Remember to use a guide until it just touches the paper. The paper is loaded. Let's continue. Let's start the alignment for best print quality. The alignment is complete. You may discard or recycle the alignment page. Let's continue. For future firmware updates, we'll select Auto Update and save the settings. Let's print a test page from our printer. We'll print. And this is the test page that has been printed. If you want to print from other devices, you can install the HP app from the App Store on that device and add this printer in the app. Let's continue. And this is the printer on the HP app. If you tap on the printer icon, it would allow you to get supplies, do a scan, a camera scan, print documents, print photos, and even copy and do mobile fax. So this is how you unbox and set up the HP MV Photo 7900 printer series.